What's up, munchers? Welcome back to another banger episode of the Munched Out. Yeah, today has been a long day, and this is the first time in the show where I really want to munch. So I'm really happy today because I finally made it to 100 subscribers. Like, we are on 100 subscribers. We are big in the hundreds, and I'd love to thank everyone who subscribed to the channel for the love and the support. And today this video is dedicated to all of you. So for appreciation of 100 subscribers, I'm going to only be spending 100 rand. So we are at Meat and Fish, and we are going to be munching on some Broewors, some Biltong, and we are only going to be spending 100 rand. So I just want to thank everyone who subscribed to the channel. Make sure I reach 100 subscribers. And yeah, I don't want to waste any time because I'm really hungry. I really want to munch. So please, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Let's go munch, Bafetti. Let's go munch. Also gonna buy another one for me, then we're gonna compare them. So now that's like minus 40 from the 100 budget. These ones, rather these ones, I don't or something like that. I don't know the name. After that, we're gonna go buy Broewors. It's the buckeyes. Only 20 rand, and the other one's gonna be 20 rand. Just stay on budget on 100 subscribers. And we also bought some drinks, and we're going to fetch the Broewors. There's a lot of noise here, so you guys must excuse the noise, you know. So yeah, let's go. Let's go now under the Broewors. It's 25 rand each, so this special is only on Saturdays. I had to come and fetch it because I didn't want to miss it. So we're gonna have like 2 different flavors of the rolls. Then we're gonna taste them too. Just like we're gonna do with the Biltong. Yeah, like I said, there's a lot of noise here, but I'm gonna try my best to give you the best story for you all munchers. So you're the one who made it, right? Like the Broewors. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you give it?
Like, honestly,
on taste.
I'll give him a 10 out of 10.
So do you think I'm gonna give it a 10?
Yes.
Okay, what makes you say that? Like, what's so special with this one?
It's very decent Broewors. Flavor is perfect. Everything.
So do you guys do this every Saturday?
Yes, every Saturday.
Until what time?
From 8 until 5.
Yeah, this is very good, man. So how old are you?
I'm 16, turning 17.
So a 16-year made this whole thing, and I'm going to be tasting it today on the mountain. I run a show, man. Sorry for the like a lot of questions. I just run a show, and I hope wish me a good lunch down. This is very good. Sure. Okay. So took a break from this one, and I'm gonna be tasting this one. This one has onions, mayonnaise, and you know the Broewors. This one is too good. The mayo and the onion are just too good. They're just too good, man. But either way, I'm now like half full. I'm still going to be munching on these ones and these ones. But I'm telling you, I'm already full from these two. I'm already full from these two. Once again, don't forget that we are in the hundreds and we made it. And basically this video is all about that today, celebrating 100 subscribers. To all the young YouTubers out there who are trying to make it like I am, just want to let you guys know that you can also be big in the hundreds. Yeah, so I'm done with the rolls. Now I'm munching on these biltongs. That's like, they were supposed to be starters, but then I couldn't resist on the rolls. Okay. Yeah, they're definitely supposed to be for starters, but these are good. And there's more flavors, and I'd love to explore more flavors during some of our episodes. But I just wanna end this video here today. I know it's not long enough, but I promise to deliver more in the coming weeks. Let's get to 100, like 200 subs. Alright, let's get to 200 subs. 2 more munch downs. 2 more subscribers. I love you all.